Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tesla Model 3 seat. First, find the seat adjustment controls located on the left side of your driver's seat. You can move the entire seat forward or backward by sliding the main lever. To change the seat's height, simply push the lever up or down. For cushion tilt, move the front or back of the lever up or down to find your ideal angle. Next, let's fine-tune your backrest and lumbar support. The backrest control allows you to recline the seat forward or backward for optimal comfort. For lumbar support, use the round four-way button on the side of your seat. Pressing up or down inflates the upper or lower air bladders, respectively. Pushing the button forward inflates both bladders, while pulling it backward deflates them, giving you precise control. Once you've found your perfect position, you can save it to a driver profile. This is super convenient, especially if multiple people drive your Tesla. First, adjust your seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors. Then, tap the driver profile icon at the top of your touchscreen. You'll see an option to save your current settings. Select Save to store your personalized preferences, making future adjustments automatic. For an optimal and safe driving position, sit upright with both feet on the floor. Your arms should be slightly bent when holding the steering wheel, and your chest at least 10 inches from the airbag cover. Ensure the shoulder section of your seat belt is midway between your neck and shoulder. It's important to note that the front headrests in the Model 3 are integrated and cannot be manually adjusted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.